Sri Salman Khurshid.
So I beg to lay papers on the table of the House listed against my name at serial number 4 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Ajay Makan.
Sir, I beg to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name in today's revised list of business at serial number 5.
Sri Srikant Jana.
Table of the House, the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 6 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Ahmed.
Deputy Chairman, sir, I beg to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at the serial number 7 in today's revised list of business.
Sri D. Purandeshwari.
So with your permission, I beg to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 8 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Sharad Pawar.
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Harish Rawat, I beg to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against his name at serial number 9.
Sri Bharat Singh Solanki.
With your permission, sir, I lay on the table of the House paper mentioned against my name at serial number 10 of today's revised list of business.
Sri C.M. Jatoa.
Sir, with your permission, on behalf of Dr. H. Jagadarshan, my colleague, Minister of State for Information Broadcasting, I rise to lay the papers mentioned against his name at serial number 11 of today's revised list of business.
Sri Sachin Pilot.
महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची की क्रम संख्या 12 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष उल्लेखित दस्तावेजों को सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री प्रदीप जैन।
On the table of the House, the paper mentioned against my name at serial number 13 of the today revised list of business.
श्री अश्विनी कुमार।
Papers mentioned against my name as serial number 14 of today's revised list of business.
श्री शरद पवार।
My colleague Dr. Charan Das Mahan, I beg to lay on the table of the House the paper mentioned against his name at serial number 15.
Sri Sachin Pilot.
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Shri Milind Devra, I beg to lay on the table of this House papers mentioned against his name at serial number 16 of the revised list of business for today.
Sri Mukul Vasnik.
My name in today's supplementary list of business.
Sri Namu Narayan Meena.
Sir, I beg the table of the House under clause 1 of the article 151 of the Constitution, a copy each of the 2 reports of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is mentioned against my name in the today's revised list of business.
Message from Lok Sabha.
Beg to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 29th March 2012 passed the Judicial Standards and Accountability Bill 2012. I lay a copy of the bill on the table.
Report of the Public Accounts Committee, Sri Prakash Javadekar.
I beg to lay the report of the Public Accounts Committee on the table.
Honorable members, I have to inform the members that a letter has been received from Sri P.R. Rajan stating that he is still under medical treatment. He has therefore requested for grant of leave of absence from 12 to 30th March 2012 of the current session of Rajya Sabha. Does he have the permission to house to remain absent from 12 to 30th March to the current session? Permission to remain absent is granted. Statement by Minister Sri Sharad Pawar.
Sir, I beg to lay on the table of the House statement regarding status of implementation of recommendation contained in the 22nd report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Agriculture on demand for gas.
Sri Sachin Pilot.
महोदय, मैं माननीय सभापति राज्यसभा द्वारा निर्देश 32 के तहत जारी किए गए निर्देश के अनुसरण में सदन का बहुमूल्य समय न लेते हुए सूचना प्रौद्योगिकी संबंधी स्थायी समिति की रिपोर्ट संख्या 24 में उल्लेखित डाक विभाग से संबंधित सिफारिशों पर की गई कार्रवाई संबंधित विस्तृत रिपोर्ट सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Sri Sachin Pilot again on behalf of Milind Devra.
Sir, in pursuance of the direction 32 of the Honorable Chairman Rajya Sabha, I on behalf of my colleague Shri Milind Devra would like to lay a detailed action taken report on the recommendations of report number 21 of the Standing Committee of Information Technology pertaining to Department of Telecommunications on the table of this House without taking the valuable time of the House.
Motion for election of the court of the Aligarh Muslim University, Sri Mati Purandeshwari.
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Shri Kapil Sibal, I beg to move that in pursuance to item 14 of clause 1 read with clause 2 of statute 14 of the statutes of the Aligarh Muslim University appended to the Aligarh Muslim University Amendment Act 1981 in terms of section 28 thereof, this House do proceed to elect in such manner as the chairman may direct 2 members from amongst the members of the House to to be members of the Court of Aligarh Muslim University in the vacancies caused due to the expiry of term of Srimati Kusum Rai, Derun, and the retirement of Shri Moinul Hassan from the membership of Rajya Sabha due on the 2nd of April 2012.
Motion moved. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. Motion is adopted. Motion for election of the Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, PGMAR, Chandigarh. Sri Sudip Bandyopadhyay.
On behalf of my senior colleague, Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad, I beg to move that in pursuance of clause G of section 5, read with subsection 4 of section 6 of the Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh, Act 1966 in bracket 51 of 1966, this House do proceed to elect in such manner as the Chairman may direct one member from amongst the members of the House to be a member of the Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh, in the vacancy to be caused due to the retirement of Srimati Biplab Thakur from the membership of Rajya Sabha on 2nd April 2012.
Motion moved. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Motion is adopted. Now 0 hour.
On the account of, on the occasion of the Rajya Sabha election in one state. I think
What to do?
Draw your attention.
It is a matter with the election commission. What is that we can...
No, but that is going on. It is coming in the press. It is coming in the press. Mr. Sitaram Yechuri has already raised that in the question.
No, he has raised it, but what is that the House can do? It is a election commission is an independent body.
I think that should be contramanded and how should express it? How should take up and how should contramand it? They will come in these house, tainted people.
Election commission.
Tainted people will be coming in these house. I think House has definite reason to feel seriously concerned on this.
Mr. Tapan
House
Singh,
has got definite reason to feel serious concern on this.
The matter is not before us. There is no notice and...
Coming in the press.
No.
It's coming in the press. Somebody is caught with 2 crore rupees. You tell. What shall I bring it?
What do you want?
What shall I bring it? To contramand the election.
Sir, this, if he is elected, he is coming to this house, sir. So
election, it is jurisdiction of election commission. What is that? No. It is
that horse.
What sense of the house can we communicate? In what forum? In what forum?
Either to countermand the election.
No, what? You see, all this, what is you are talking is known, all of the country is seen everywhere. Now that is the sentiment. No, Mr. Maitriyan, election is the jurisdiction of the election commission. You are expressed, that is the concern now what you are talking. No, don't say that who is coming, what is coming, it is not in our, that should not be there. Pardon? That is when it is referred to the ethics committee, can we look into it? Yes, you want to say something?
No, sir, this thing comes purely in domain of election commission. But if you direct, I can definitely bring to the notice of the Home Minister the feelings of the members of the House.
Yes. Okay. Sri 0 hour. Jarnadas Baidya. D. Bandyopadhyay.
Notice of the House, a very serious situation that is taking place in the country due to the strike by goldsmiths and artisans all over the country. Sir, roughly 1.5 crore people are involved. They are basically workmen. I am not talking of big business. Basically workmen who unfortunately have to resort to the strike because they are getting problems.
We have discussed this in the
Sir,
House.
point is, let me say, sir, let me finish and you can do. There is a excise hike of about 4%, which will adversely affect this particular group of people. Moreover, sir, with the impact of cascading effect of the rise of customs and excise, the price of gold in India will go up, making the difference between international gold and the price difference. Thereby, it will encourage smuggling. In view of this, sir, what we feel that the government has not been able to intercede or proactively intervene to create a situation in which it can be resolved. We know, sir, that the finance minister did make some concession in his reply. But the fact is, in spite of that, the situation is continuing. Therefore, the finance minister's concessions are too little, too late to resolve the issue. Under the circumstances, sir, I request through you to the government that government should immediately intercede, call the representatives of the workmen and try to find a solution so that the penury of these people do not suffer.
The minister wants to respond. The minister wants to respond, yes.
I have heard what the honourable member has said. I would like to bring to the notice of the House that other day, while replying to the debate on budget, the finance minister has assured that he is finding a legislature route to and working out on a modality how to do it. So we should wait for the finance bill to come. He has assured the House that to definitely do something. The cases up to 5 crores have already been exempted. So let's wait for the finance bill to come because he has already assured the House.
Mr. Tapan. No, Mr. Tapanjan. No.
Let him work on let him work on the model.
No. That is what the minister has.
That's the only route it can be done. You can only bring amendment in finance bill. In between you can't announce. That is the legal procedure.
Please, Mr.
Let me clarify that what the finance minister did say, what the minister is repeating now, and what the goldsmiths are going to suffer because they don't know how to fill up forms if the excise is imposed on them. It should, you see, imposing of excise with jewelers is a different thing. Imposing of excise on goldsmiths is a different thing altogether. Honorable Finance Minister did not give any assurance on that.
No, Mr. Mahapataji, if you go through the records, because I was there on the chair, what the Honorable Finance Minister said is, this is a matter to be considered at the time of passing of the finance bill. And he said he will have a consideration for this, and he also mentioned that he will address all these issues during the finance bill, and he assured that one minute.
Not of the, what will be the impact on the goldsmiths in
he said if you go through the record, all that what will the, in fact, honorable members welcome, the honorable members welcomed the statement of the, from the, who has raised these issues. Please wait for the thing. And this message.
Minister, please take note and come here.
I have only one point.
We understand that before finance bill, the issue cannot be finally agreed. We
You have raised it in 0 hour.
But the strike is, please understand.
That itself is
I want you to appreciate.
See, Naresh Gujral.
No,
No, on this, it is at 0 hour. Whatever you have said, want to say, it has gone on the record, and the government the government is also responded. Mr. Gujral. Yes, the minister has responded. No, usually 0 hour the ministers will not respond. He has responded. Yes, yes.
In Delhi, in Bombay, in Jaipur, everywhere it is closed. Calcutta, small artisans, UP, entire country is suffering, sir. Gold means security. Gold means security in the country. Even a small middle class family,
Mr.
lower middle class family,
see what is that?
Gold for the safety and security of
you are
the
right.
future.
You are all
So,
of
sir,
you.
the
The
point
honorable.
is-
See, you have raised it in 0 hour.